Morning, everyone. It's 8:45, and it is Monday, the 30th. Excuse me. Uh, and the markets are not pleased. Asia and Europe were both down. Uh, all of the Asian markets were down. Shanghai was down about 0.75%, but the Hang Seng, which is Hong Kong, was down 2%. So we have a little weakness. The Dow this morning has been down. I've seen it down 100. I've seen it down 170. Right now, it's down about 133. The Nasdaq is up 20, and the S&P is down 10. There's plenty of news around. The Black Friday information was kind of interesting because there was $9 billion spent online on Black Friday, but there was a 52% decline in-store shopping. So that makes it pretty clear. OPEC has a virtual meeting today. There's all kinds of talk about cutbacks, increases. So, that's just one we'll have to wait and see. The oil, which has been up really nicely for the last 2 weeks, is down a little, but not much. 35 cents. Tesla got approval in China to sell their SUV product that is actually manufactured in Shanghai. The stock kind of likes that, and it's trading at 600, the round number. Apple gets a slap on the wrist for some sort of $12 million fine in Italy on deceptive advertising. Moderna now has a 94% efficacy with their vaccine, and the last I saw, the stock was up about 17. But the big news is that GM is not going to make the $2 billion investment in Nikola, and their deal does not include the Badger vehicle. And this morning, Nikola was as high as 39 and a half. It's crossing the tape right now at 24, down 393. So from up big to down on the day, very ugly. We also have S&P info buying market, MARKIT. I've seen the deal quoted as 39 billion. I've also seen it as a headline quoted at 44 billion. That may be, accurate, both accurate, but one of them may include some debt that market might have. That's the only thing that I can think of why there would be two different numbers. And DoorDash and Airbnb are discussing their valuations for the IPO, and both seem to be working a little bit higher. The dollar is at a 2-year low, and the gold is down a little. The chart on the screen is Bitcoin, which we purchased. We purchased GBTC on Friday, at 1826. It looks to be opening up around 21 and a half. We bought this decline, and here's where we are today. I mean, we are literally up 2,200. So that was actually more than we were down. The previous close on Thursday, which we didn't have, but the rest of the world did, was a close at 19,110, and we got as low as 18,640, and this morning, as you can see, we're trading 19,225. So we're actually, I don't expect it today, but we are actually just a hair's breadth away from the recovery high, 19,515. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. The dollar is, as I said, at a 2-year low. Fairly disturbing that it just can't get out of its own way. And now it is headed, I think in my letter, I was looking at the weekly and going back several years. We are getting back into this area, which was in 2018, late 2017 to early 2018. We literally, the next low close would have to be below here, which is 91.34. Right now, we are 91.64, and just showing, no bounce. I mean, it spent a couple of days testing this area, but it went right through. That should be helping the gold and the silver. There was a great article on silver in Barron's this week. Anybody wants it, just direct message me or go to Barron's online and they'll let you read it. This is the silver, and it's now, this bottom was 21.81. Right now we're 22.125 with a low of 21.96. So we're still above that. A little disappointed that we crossed over. I have a feeling that this week may be pretty hectic in the metals. The one that seems to be bouncing a little harder is the platinum. And last I saw, it was actually up. Let's take a look. Yep, platinum is up $15, while gold is down $15, and silver is down. I'm just not sure where the bid is coming from, but this is pretty exceptional. All right, everyone, take it easy. Be careful out there. The Dow last is down 133 as it was before, and I'll be back later in the day. Have a good one, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget that if you are interested in futures trading, just get in touch with me. I have a great trader involved with us. Have a good one.